First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So before watching all the RRB JE topic wise video, you have to first understand these three important things. So first, the RRB JE CBT1 exam level. So usually when we take all the previous year memory based question paper of RRB JE exam, so the aptitude reasoning question level, it's medium level. So do not waste your time on keep on solving very hard level question. So try to practice more and more number of question, easy level, very easy level and medium level more. So if you keep on practicing questions more on medium and little bit medium high level, definitely you can able to clear CBT1 aptitude and reasoning questions. And second, importantly, in my every video that I'm going to post for RRB JE, I will be teaching 20 questions each and every topic on quantitative aptitude as well as reasoning. After teaching 20 questions, I will be giving 30 questions as a test. So the 20 question what I'm going to teach now will be exactly at the medium level concept, right? So that medium level questions I'm going to teach for this RRB JE, especially for RRB JE. And after teaching 20 question, I will be giving you 30 question as a test with all different kinds of model. Again, the 30 question will also be in the exam point of view like medium level question. So after watching 20 question on this video, do not forget to take the 30 question test. And the third important, so students, those who already bought the railway exam test, inside it at the last tab you can able to see a new column called RRB JE. So once you click on it, after posting every video, there you can able to see 30 question test on each and every topic on quantitative aptitude. So if you didn't buy it, if you want to buy it, so just visit feelfreetolearn.com. Inside a test series, you can able to see RRB railway exam, which is 99 rupees. Or if you have an Android mobile, so go to Google Play Store and search for Feel Free to Learn. So once you download the app, open it, inside that you can able to see railway exam. So click on it and purchase the test and start practicing all the question which is inside RRB JE. So after posting every video topic, your test will be added there. So now let me move on to all the RRB JE quantitative aptitude topics. So friends, now let me move on to the next topic for RRB JE exam. So topic is mathematical operation in the reasoning session, right? So a reasoning session, this is one of the important topic as well as very easy topic. Even if we teach this to the school students, 6th standard, 5th standard students can able to solve it. That much easy level question is, but be very careful because when you make a small mistake, then the complete answer might get wrong, right? So it's a basics of simplification. We apply the BODMAS rule to solve a question based upon their representation. So usually they will give you a question, right, which contains multiplication, addition, subtraction, etc. But what we need to do is they will ask us to change some value. So addition should be changed into multiplication, division should be changed into subtraction. So you have to do all those things and then you have to frame another simplification question based upon the changed value and then you have to solve the question, right? So it's very easy. It contains different models and all the models will be definitely easy. But only thing here is kindly do not solve these kind of question directly by seeing a computer without using pen and paper, right? Many times I have told you on quantitative aptitude, yes, you can solve, but this is the topic you should not, right, solve by just only seeing the computer. Why? Because there are 99% chance of making a mistake, right? Don't do that. Just write the question, whatever they have given in the exam, write the question on the paper. Even it takes 15 seconds or 10 seconds writing on a paper. Do not see that. Just write the same question in the paper and then solve it, because I have seen even many brilliant students usually make this mistake on these areas, right? So don't do that. And here, similar to this topic, there are some other topics like alphanumerical series, element series, right? Other easy topic is also there in the reasoning session. So we can just gradually see all those topics later on. But here, this question, you can, when you take the previous year question papers of RRB JE, definitely you can able to see one question from this area, and not only JE, right? Even you take any railway exams or you take any SSC exams, definitely you can able to see this topic, right? So friends, here we will be solving some of the questions. So before that, I hope everyone knows the BODMAS rule, right? So basics of BODMAS. Basics of simplification is the BODMAS bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the way you have to solve a simplification question. For example, if it is 3 division 3 plus 3, then first thing what you need to do is you should divide this. After dividing this only, you should add with 3, right? You should not directly add 3 plus 3 and 6. Don't divide like this. Why? Because according to the BODMAS rule, division plays first and then you have to add with the number. Okay, so I think everyone knows it, the basics of BODMAS, right? So only if you know the BODMAS rule, you should solve this kind of question, or else kindly learn the BODMAS rule first and then solve these kind of question in your exams, right? Some question you have to solve only from the options, no other way. Some question you have to solve directly by seeing the question. So after solving many questions, you will get an idea for which question we have to go with the options and which question you have to solve directly by seeing the question alone without using the options, right? And then after watching this video, friends, don't forget to take the test. So same model questions, I have given 10 questions as a test on the RRB JEE test package. After watching this video, immediately, I think you don't want to sit and learn separately, because after watching this video, you can understand what is the question is and how easy it is. So after watching this video, just directly go to the test and write the test, just only 20 minutes, write the test so that you can understand what type of questions you can able to see from the mathematical operations. So friends, now let me move on to, I think I have 4 or 5 questions here. So let me move on to all the question that is based on a mathematical operations. So here is the first question. In a certain code language, plus represents multiplication, minus represents addition, multiplication represents division, and division represents minus. So here they have given a question, right? The question is 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 plus 81, multiplication 27, division 3 is equals to question mark. So this is the question what they have given here, but what you should not directly simplify this initially. What you need to do is we have to convert all the symbols, mathematical operation, into a given operation, right? See, in a certain code language, plus represents multiplication. So that means wherever you see plus, you have to multiply it, and wherever you see division, what they are saying is division represents subtraction. So first what you guys do here is, in the exam, write the same question in your paper and then convert all the symbols step by step, right? So 8 minus, so wherever you see minus, what they are representing it as plus, minus represented as plus. So minus here, so write plus 2 and now plus. So plus represented as multiplication, so plus will be multiplication, 81 multiplication. So multiplication is represented as division. So here multiplication, division of 27. So division is represented as subtraction. So minus 3 is equals to question mark. So finally, the given question we converted into a different format based upon the values what they have given in the question, right? So now we have to simplify it and we have to find the answer. So very careful here, because only if you write the same question in the paper, you can understand that in which part you have to do multiplication and how to apply a BODMAS rule. By just directly seeing a computer, you are so brilliant, you can, but there is a chance of making a mistake. So that's the reason I'm saying you solve this question only using pen and paper. Do not solve directly by seeing a computer, even if you are a brilliant. It's my suggestion, right? So friends, now we can apply the BODMAS rule here to solve the question. So first, you should not subtract this. Why? Because according to the BODMAS rule, here we have division, right? So 27 into 3. So 8 plus 2 into 27 into 3 will be 81. So 3 here minus of 3 is equals to question mark. You should not directly 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Why? Because according to the BODMAS rule, so first we have to multiply the number. So 8 plus 6 minus 3 is equals to question mark. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. So 8 plus 3 is equals to question mark. So question mark is equals to 11. So finally we can say that the answer for this question where the question mark is equals to 11. So friends, understood or not? How slowly I have solved this question. So similar to this, you have to solve all the questions what I have given on the test series. Timing is also important, right? So you can take 1 minute, maximum 1 minute time to solve this question, right? Not more than that. I think you can able to solve within 30 or 40 seconds, but max 1 minute you have to solve this question, right? So friends, answer for the first question where question mark is equal to 11. So inside the mathematical operation, this is one category of question, just converting the given mathematical operation into another mathematical operation based on the certain code. So it is one model question. So here is the second question. So which two signs should be interchanged to correct the given equation? See, they have given an equation. It's another model question on mathematical operation. So here they have given an equation. So equation is 2 into 3. So plus 6 minus of 12. So division 4 is equals to 17. So they have given a question as well as equal to, they have given an answer also. They have given answer as 17. But there are certain options what they have given it. So what we need to do is, which two signs should be interchanged? So what is option number A here? So option number A is division and multiplication. That means wherever you see division, you have to change into multiplication. So wherever you see multiplication, you have to change into division. It is called as interchanging, right? So you have to interchange it, and whether you have to check whether we are getting answer 17 or not. So let me solve this question. See, 2 multiplication. So multiplication should be changed into division. So 2 division 3. So 2 division 3. There is no change in the addition. So write addition as it is. So 6 minus also no change. 12 division. So division has to be converted into multiplication into 4. And we have to check whether we are getting 17 or not if we solve this equation. So if we got 17, then the answer A is correct. If we are not getting the answer 17, then option A is wrong. You have to go with the other options. So now, so 2 divided by 3. So I think first we have to multiply 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is 48. So 6 minus of 48. So 2 division 3. I think definitely we will not get the answer 17. Why? Because 2 divided by 3 is something around 0 point something. So there is no chance of getting an answer as 17. So we can say that option number A is wrong. So now, moving on to the next option, option number B. So option number B is minus and plus. So that means minus should be interchanged into addition. Addition should be changed into subtraction. Right? So now question. So 2 multiplication, there should not be any change. So into 3. Again addition. Addition should be changed as subtraction. So here minus of 6. Subtraction should be changed into addition. So 12 division 4 is equals to 17. Be very slow solving this question. Right? So now let me try to solve it. So 12 division 4 according to the BODMAS rule. So this will be 3. So plus of minus 6, 3 into 2. So now 2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 plus 3, again 6 minus 6 will be 0. So 0 plus 3 will be 3. But our target is to get answer 17. So we are not getting an answer 17 for option number B also. Go with the next option. So option number C. Option number C is what? Multiplication and subtraction. That means wherever you see multiplication, you have to convert into subtraction. So subtraction should be converted into multiplication. That is called as interchanging. So now 2 into 3. So 2 minus of 3. So plus 6 minus should be converted into multiplication. So multiplication 12. So division 4. So now, according to the BODMAS rule, first we can divide this 12 4. So 2 minus 3 plus 6. 12 division 4 will be 3. So this will be 3 here. 6 into 3 is 18. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. So answer will be 17. So now we are getting an answer as 17 when we are using option number C, where the multiplication when changed to subtraction, subtraction changed to multiplication, we are getting an answer 17. So we can say that answer for this question is option number C. In case if we have 4 options, if you are not getting an answer in option number C also, then definitely option number D is your answer, right? So you don't want to check that. So this is one model question that is based on a interchanging. So you can see that they can be asked you anything. Not only the operation has been interchanged, sometimes the numbers will be interchanged. For example, 12 will be interchanged into 3, 3 will be interchanged into 12. So wherever you see the number 12, that will be interchanged into 3. And wherever you see 3, you have to interchange into 12. So this is one kind of model. Always you have to solve these kind of model only by using an options, right? No other way. So this will be the answer for the second question. Next question. So which two signs should be interchanged to correct the given equation? So again, it is based on a similar model question what we solved previously. So you have to interchange the value, right? Not the value, interchange the symbol. So similarly, what they have given is 5 plus 6 division of 3. So minus of 12 into 2 is equals to 17. So we have to interchange the first option. First option is what? addition and multiplication. That means addition should be interchanged into multiplication. Multiplication should be interchanged into addition. So let me check whether we are getting the answer. So 5 into 6, no change in the division. So 3 minus of 12, multiplication change into addition. So now 5, 6 division 3, first you have to do it. So 6 division 3 will be 2. So 5 into 2 minus of 12 plus 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 minus 12 plus 2. So I think we are not getting an answer here, right? We have to get an answer as 17, but we are not getting an answer as 17 here. So option number A is wrong. So let me move on to the second option. So that is plus and division. So wherever you see plus, you have to convert into division. So 5 division 6, right? So 5 division 6, division will be converted into addition. So plus 3 minus of 12. So multiplication, no change here, is equals to, I think, surely I will not get 17 here, because when you keep on practicing more number of questions, you can guess that this answer will not be 17. Why? Because in the previous question I have told you, right, 2 by 3. So if we got 2 by 3, answer is 0.666 something. We will not get answer 17. Similarly, here it is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6, definitely 0 point something. We will not get an answer as 17 here. So you don't want to waste your time. Just go on with the other option. So division and multiplication. So now 5 plus 6, division should be converted into multiplication. So minus of 12, multiplication convert into division. So now first you have to go with bottommost. 12 division 2 is 6. So 5 plus 6 into 3 minus of 6 here. So next 6 into 3. So 6 into 3 is 18. So 5 plus 18 minus of 6. So 5 minus 6 will be minus 1. So 18 minus 1 will be 17. So finally we are getting an answer as 17 when we are going with option number C. So we don't want to find for option number D. Why? Because definitely one option is going to be correct here. So we can say that option number C is the answer for it. Right? So again, the practice is more required to solve this question, because if you need to solve little bit fastly, I have told you, right, 1 minute should be the maximum time. So in 1 minute, if you have to check all the option, you have to be very fast. And at some time, you can just like that guess by seeing the option, this will not be the answer. Why? Because see, I have 5 division 6, I can directly say 0 point something we are going to get. Definitely this option will not be the answer. Similarly, in the previous question also 2 by 3. So similarly, before calculating, you might easily find some numbers we will get 0 point something, so you don't want to solve it. You can directly say that option will not be the answer. So that comes only when you practice more number of questions, right? So friends, answer for this question is option number C. So next question. If A represents 30, B represents 42, C represents 7. So similarly, they have given for all the 5 letters, right? So then which mathematical equation will be equal to 19? So what we need to do is we have to substitute all the values, that is A as 30, B as 42 in all the given option, and we have to check which option we are getting the answer as 19. So that option is correct. So there is no change in the operations, only the letter has been changed into number, that's it. So first let me go with option number A. So A minus B. So A is how much? 30. So 30 minus of B, which is 42, division of C, that is 7, multiplication 6, and last addition of E. So E will be how much? 25. So we have to solve and we have to find whether we are getting an answer as 19. So just see here, 42 division 7. So it will be 6, right? So 30 minus of 6 into 6 will be 36 plus 25. So definitely this will be minus 6. First option itself we are getting the answer. So 30, this will be minus 6 plus 25. So 25, 6 will be 19. Yes, whether option A is the answer. Yes, we are getting the option number A as answer, right? 30, 42, division 7 into 6 plus E. C into, okay. So A minus, yes, 30 minus of 6 division minus of 6, 36 plus 25. Yes, we are getting an answer on the first option itself. Okay. So answer for this question is option number A. Next question, that is fifth question. So if plus and multiplication are interchanged, Also the number 5 and 9 are changes the places. Find which of the following option is correct. So just now in the starting of the video I have told you, right? So either you can see the mathematical operation can be changed, or else even the number can also be changed. Just see, they are changing both here, where addition should be converted. Addition should be converted into multiplication, and then number should be changed into another number, that is 5 is changed into 9. And we have to check which of the option is correct, right? So option number A is what? So 2 into 9. So first write 2 here into multiplication. So multiplication should be changed into addition. So 9 should be changed into 5. So 5 here. Next addition. Addition should be changed into multiplication. Again 3. No change in the number 3 as well as 2. Multiplication 5. So plus 9 is equals to 21. So we have to check whether we are getting 21 here. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. Definitely we will not get 21. Option number A is wrong. So option number B, 5 into 9. That means 9 plus 5. Plus addition should be converted into multiplication. So multiplication 3. Again 3 is, there is no change in number 3, write 3 as it is. Only multiplication should be changed into addition, is equals to 0. Definitely we will not get 0. Why? Because I don't have any subtraction here. How will I get answer as 0? So you don't want to solve it. You can directly say option number B is wrong. So go with option number C. So option number C is what? 9 into 5. So 5 plus 9 into 2. Right? So multiplication again plus 2 is equals to 25. We have to check whether we are getting 25 here. So 9 into 2 is how much? 18. 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. So finally we are getting an answer as 25 is equals to 25. So we can say that option number C is the answer for the question. Right? So friends, understood. So that's it. These are the different kinds of models. Still there are many models and many different concept questions they can ask from this mathematical operation. But 90%, not 90, 100%, the concept is this, right? By applying the BODMAS rule, you have to solve the question. Because I have seen some question is like 9 star 5 star 4 plus 3 star 2 is equals to some number will be given in the exam, right? So what we need to do is, for star, they will give you an option whether division should be used instead of star, or subtraction should be used instead of star, or else addition. So what you need to do is, you have to instead of star you have to substitute all the division and then check whether we are getting 19, or else use subtraction, or else use addition. So these kind of different model, only when you practice more number of question you can get that, right? What kind of question it is. But be careful, right? Use pen and paper always to solve this question, even if you are so brilliant, right? So that's the only thing I want to say to this student. Mostly I would say to my friends while solving this topic. Why? Because there are more and more chance of making a mistake, even the question is very simple. So be careful, and in every exam, even definitely in this railway exam also, you can able to see this question, maximum 1 mark, not more than that, only one question. But surely you can able to crack the question within 30 seconds, right? Even if you just sit and prepare for 5 minutes, you can learn this topic. Similarly, there is a topic called alphanumerical series, element series. There are some topics in a reasoning session. Within a day, you can learn 5 or 6 topics. That much easy topics those topics are. Right? So now what you guys have to do is just directly go to the test series inside the railway package, write the test now itself, mathematical operation, right? So that you will get a confidence on this topic. You can go with other topics to solve it. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those are preparing for the railway exams. So thank you so much. Bye.